deki ሕድርትና, children of the darkness. Because our people is so religious, sometimes they don't like to talk about the evil side, the darkness, the superstition, whatever you want to call it, but it's still there. So the legend goes that Adam and Eve had children, and she tried to hide them from God. So is her. And since she tried to hide them from God's sight, when God found out, he condemned them never to be seen by anyone and to come out only at night when we sleep. Miss ሕድርና, hence deki ሕድርትና. The second version of their origin story comes from a lady who had a lot of children. Some were good looking, others not so much. One day, a beggar stopped in front of her house asking for food. She invited him in, offered him food and drinks, and then once he was done, he asked for all her children to come out to be blessed. Since she was afraid of the evil eye, she only brought out the ugly ones, leaving the good-looking ones in the back. And his blessing was, may all that is hidden stay hidden forever. And so deki ሕድርትና were born. So when there's something happening that is inexplicable in the dark or it's a little scary, a lot of people blame it on deki ሕድርትና, this evilish spirits that at times are playful, or fairies, call them what you wanna. Some of the most superstitious also do things like not sweeping the floor in the evening, thinking that they can leave some crumbs behind, or not even clearing the whole table after dinner to leave something behind for them. Is this your first time hearing about them? What stories do you have?
Culture is cool.